SkinnyGPanda here. So today is January 26th. It is the annual Splashing with Compassion polar plunge that I do every year. It's in support of cancer. Looking forward to it this year, like I do every year. It is 25 degrees out right now and I'm down in the valley. I'm driving up to Montage Mountain, and up there it should be colder, so it's going to be quite interesting like it is every year. I'm like, oh, but I managed to do it. I made this awesome t-shirt, might be hard to see in the car. It says, freezing cancer, one jump at a time. Thought that was pretty cool, since you are jumping into basically an ice cold pool where sometimes they just dig out a piece of the snow and fill it in with water, and that's what you jump into. So we're gonna drive up there and let's get to it.